8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yan, okay. Freeze tayo. Hindi ko makita anong ginagawa.
Ano daw?
Kita niyo ba, audience? At the back, kita natin. Kita?
Pakipirin lang po yung mga mata ng mga bata dyan.
Okay, let us have them, interpret, no? Or explain yung kanilang... sige, picture nyo.
Captain, maging rated SPG po tayo dito.
Chip, can you explain your app?
I am an 18 years old lady.
Okay, so ikaw yung babae, no? What about here, no?
First, make love. First, making love.
Tentang.
They're making bang daw. What's bang? Okay. Then kayo, pray over. Pinagpe-pray over nila. Bahay daw, house. House. So sila naman, they have wine. Dalawa dito, bakit? Table. Okay, wait lang. Taga-picture. Okay. So, honeymoon, so meron silang romantic scene.
Yes.
Okay, so...
Kung parang Tinder yan. Kung parang Tinder.
Tinatanong ni Ma'am Bibi, ano daw ginagawa? Sinagot niya na, di ba? Ano yung ginagawa daw? Ano yung sinabi mo?
Timbangan sir.
Ma'am Bibs. Okay, are you ready to judge? Nakakawit na sila. Okay, so, yan. Sabi ng judges natin, kayo daw ang mag-decide. Ladies and gentlemen, so pamagitan ng inyong masikabong palakpakan. Okay? So, nakikita niyo na ba? Okay? So, we have group, okay, group number 5 and group number 4. Ito yung 5, no? Okay. Bahay daw ng house.
Bahay po.
Okay. Let us see, no? Let us see your judgment. For group number 5. Group number 5. Palakpakan natin. Palakpakan, okay? Again, group number 5. Okay. What about group number 4?
Oh, diba? May palakpak.
Para pantay lang eh.
Pantay lang.
So ano ma'am? Isa pa. Group number 5. And group number 4. Okay. Sige na. Tayo na kayo. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.